Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning in my planner for the week of June 22nd, and this is the last week in my planner since I do use an academic planner. So this week I did pre-plan with a kit by My Newest Addiction, so if you'd like to check out that pre-plan, I will have that link down below, or it'll pop up in the card so you can watch it after this video. But what I'm going to do here is just going day by day and fill in all the blank spots with whatever happened that day. So that is my way of memory planning and whatever. So let's get started with Monday. Monday, I'm going to go ahead and start with a squiggle from Colored Daze. This is the Nikki squiggle, just because I thought there was like a little awkward space under the upload plan with me section there. So I wanted to kind of put something there. Then I'm going to take a bow divider from the Giving Girl. And I'm going to use one of these, like I had a leftover half box sticker from Nikki +3. And I'm going to use that in there. And I realized I had to cut it because it's actually from one of her monthly kits. So it's meant to fit, it's like a little, bigger. Those boxes in the monthly are a little bigger. So I had to trim it a little bit, but afterwards it worked just fine. Just trimmed a little bit on each side, the left and the right. And then I'm taking this like kind of frustrated looking girl from Planners Anon and a little bow. I wanted to put a little bow in her hair from the Giving Girl just to mark that my stupid video took 6 hours to upload that day in the morning. I couldn't upload it on Sunday night, and so I spent 6 hours trying to upload it on Monday. And it was really frustrating. Then I'm going to take a bow doily from the Giving Girl and then this cute little mouse with a bow from the Fox and Pip to mark that I cleaned my cat's water bowl. And that is something that I just do usually about once a month, but he has this really big like self-filling water bowl that just, the water just kind of comes down as it's drank or whatever. Oh, I have the hiccups now suddenly, sorry. Anyway, so usually he takes about a month to drink all of it, and then I, give it a good deep clean. So, I also wanted to mark, just check off those bills that I paid. I could have checked them in the hearts, like a little checkbox, but I just kind of wanted to use these pretty rose gold checklist or check marks from the Giving Girl since I have them. And I don't use rose gold very often, so I just wanted to pull in what I could. This was from an oops sheet though, so one of them kind of was a little stuck. Like not cut perfectly, but it's fine. I just took something like a knife or whatever just to get underneath it with an X-Acto knife, and it comes off just fine. So that was for Monday. For my gratitude, I put that I was grateful for laughter because I can't imagine how sad of a world it would be if there was not any laughter in it. So that was what I did for Monday. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a little heart icon from Colored Daze. That's an way older sheet. And sorry, I'm messing with some sticky notes. And I'm going to take a planner from A Joyful Dream. Just to mark that I bought my new planner, my new Recollections planner. I went and got that from Michael's. Then I am using a quarter box from in the kit and then a Target bag from My Planning Addictions, which I realize kind of doesn't really match any of the colors in this kit, but whatever. I don't often use Target bags. I don't have a lot of Target bags, and I went to Target, so I wanted to mark it. So I used that to mark that I had to run to Target. And then I'm taking a scallop corner from the kit with a book stack from Wild Summer Designs. And an asterisk from that older Colored Daze sheet just to mark that my son did level up for his summer reading challenge. So we did go to the library so we could get him his new stamp and this free sticker and free book. Every time he levels up, he gets a free book. So that was fun to do on Tuesday. I also put for my gratitude, I was grateful for my new planner. Since I'm grateful to be able to just go and get it, and the one that I wanted was in stock too. And there was actually multiple options for the vertical planners that they have. So I was just really grateful, and I'm happy to be trying a new planner brand or whatever. I would love to try another small business, here in our community instead of Michael's. But the only issue is that because this planner is ending so soon, this is the last week, I had no way of getting a planner quick enough. The only thing I could have done besides go to Michael's was to do printable inserts, but I didn't want to do that for another year because I just prefer a foiled planner. So I was like, whatever, I'll just give Recollections a try. So anyways, Moving on to Wednesday, my son lost his tooth, and that's pretty much all that happened on Wednesday. So I used a quarter box from the kit and then a tooth sticker from the Sticker Genie. Her shop is closed, unfortunately. And then for my gratitude, I put that I was grateful for my asthma being so well managed. I've had asthma my whole entire life, and it's usually been pretty bad, but it's actually been fairly well managed recently, so which is good. Then moving on to Thursday, I used a what do you call it? A coffee Monsterz Co emoji. It's technically a headache emoji, but like I woke up with a really bad neck ache, and I didn't know how to mark that otherwise than with that. That's the closest thing I had. So then I'm gonna take a oh, and there's like a little corner scalp underneath it from the kit. Then I'm also gonna take a quarter box from the kit to mark that my in-laws, or not my in-laws, my son and I, we worked on his TroFast, which is his like toy storage system in his room for like an hour and a half, just organizing his toys and getting everything put away. So I used like a little heart from the Colored Daze Nikki sampler freebie. And then I'm going to use a half box from the kit and a like sticker sheet from Wild Summer. Actually, first thing I did was I used this tiny little like alarm clock from a previous sheet from My Newest Addiction, because I was putting away my haul, since I did film my haul on Wednesday, my June haul. And it took a long time. It took me like 2 hours to put that away. But I remembered I had something else I wanted to use, so I'm going to change that in a second. Then I wanted to mark that I ordered some stickers from Cozy Paper Co. and Aurora and Avalon Creations on Thursday. So I got this order sticker from Colored Daze. And I didn't really want to just put it in the white space, so I'm just using some washi from Simply Gilded as kind of like a background to, I don't know, put that sticker down. And so anyways, that is, like I said, just because I ordered some stickers. Then I'm going to take a heart doily from The Giving Girl, and then another Coffee Monsterz Co emoji, like the celebrating one. And I just received that one from like a freebie, or I destashed it or something. So that's why it's on that sticker collecting paper right there. I have a whole like sticker destash video, and I show that paper that I used, and I got it from Amazon and everything. I'll have that link down below if you want to see it. Anyways, and that's just to mark that I contacted the winners of my giveaway from that destash video that I did. I picked 2 winners, and I like, you know, pulled their names and contacted them. So that's why I wanted like the celebrating emoji. Then, like I said, I changed that clock out because I forgot I had these cute little like sticker sheets from Wild Summer Designs, and I thought that's perfect because I was putting away stickers. And then I'm going to take a beautiful little bow from The Giving Girl and just kind of put that over the sticker sheets to make it look a little cuter. And that is it for Thursday. I also wrote that I was grateful for numerous offers and opportunities. Just, you know, any kind of offer or opportunity that is presented to myself. I'm just grateful that I am presented with that offer or opportunity. On Friday, I filmed a 2-hour video when I filmed my setup and move into my new planner. It's not 2 hours now. It was like 2 hours of raw footage, and it's like 45. I condensed it down to about 45 minutes edited. So, but yeah, that was a lot to film, a lot to edit. So I used this huge like laptop sticker from the kit, and then a little scallop corner from The Giving Girl, and a triple arrow from My Newest Addiction. And then a squiggle in the between because I just didn't have anything else to mark, and it just took me so dang long to film that video and edit it. So I wanted something that would take up a big chunk of time. So that was for filming my setup and move-in with me video for my new planner. And then I'm just going to take a Giving Girl bow divider up at the top there, since, you know, again, the kind of awkward room there. Same reason I used a squiggle on Monday. Just thought I would fill that in. If you want to see that filming, like not filming, if you want to see that setup and move in with me for my brand new planner, I'll have that video linked down below too, or it'll pop up in the cards. On Friday, I wrote that I was grateful for accomplishing filming, because I'm telling you, man, I had to stop filming twice because my phone died. Well, not died, but it was dying. So I had to like let it cool down and charge, and like I was editing the video while I was charging. Ugh, it was a mess, but yeah, I got it done. Then on to Saturday, I just check marked like the stuff that I did in my little to-do list. Then after work, since I work from home, after work I went to Michael's to go ahead and make a return. So I used a quarter box from the kit, and then this cute little like price tag from this leftover sheet from the Giving Girl. And then I used I don't know if I just put that on camera and I missed it, whatever. I used a squiggle, like a little skinny Nikki squiggle in between those boxes. So I thought that would look cute. And then for the box on Saturday, I always write in like the movie we watch over at my in-laws' house. And I had to write crab boil too, because she made this delicious crab boil. It was so good. Like the boil in the bag kind of Louisiana style is so good. So I wrote crab boil, and then Fantastic Four. We watched the like older Fantastic Four. Or sorry, not the older one, the newer, it was like 2015, like the newer version. And I wrote, I was grateful for the crab boil because it's just so good. I could literally eat that every single day. I could eat that and sushi every single day. Then on to Sunday, I'm using a scallop corner and then a like box, like an open box, just to mark that my in-laws came by to help with setting up my son's TV in his room, and then also this like parcel box that they got us to go out front, and you like drill it into the concrete so nobody can steal it, and then the mailman can like leave packages in there. And then who's that box from? I think that was Nikki +3. Let me double check. Yeah, that was a freebie I got from Nikki +3 from one of my orders. And I just put like a little Giving Girl bow over it, so it'd be a cute little bow package. Then I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then a buy all the things script from the Nikki freebie from Colored Daze, because that was the day that the Ultimate Planner sale ended, the UPS sale. It was the last day of the UPS sale, and I wanted to like make some purchases. So I did purchase a couple things from a couple of shops. And you'll be seeing that in my July haul, hopefully. If it ships within time, hopefully it should. And then for my gratitude on Sunday, I wrote that I was just grateful for the help from my in-laws, since they, you know, came by and drilled that box in front of on the patio, and then also set up my son's TV where it's like bracketed to the wall, mounted to the wall or whatever. Yeah, so I was just grateful for their help and all the help that they give us. Anyways, that is it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because it really helps me out. And definitely subscribe if you're not already, since I do make these videos regularly. I try to upload 3 videos a week. Be sure to check out those other videos. I will have linked down below for you if you'd like to see more videos from me. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything. All these shops are linked down below for your convenience, or if you just want to say hi and I'll say hi back. Anyways, hope that you take care. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.